How to delete tweets on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can delete tweets on Twitter. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, it's very simple to delete your tweets. Just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Twitter app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Twitter, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Twitter application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, well, you can basically see that this is how it is going to look like. Now, in order to delete your tweets, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon which you see at the top left corner of the screen. So just tap on it. As you tap on the top left corner, which is your profile icon, just go ahead and select the option called profile over here. As you come to your profile page, you'll be able to see your timeline as well as all of the tweets over here. So if you want to delete a particular tweet, just tap on the three dots next to that tweet and you'll find these options at the bottom. Select the one that says delete tweet, and you can see it will ask me to delete it, so just tap on the delete button. And similarly, you can repeat the process for any other tweets that you might have. Tap on the three dots, select delete tweet, and confirm the changes just like that. And this is how you can delete your tweets on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.